we're going to be talking about scalloped borders. It is the scallop ruler template.
First of all, you're going to have to make your templates, and we're going to do it with paper. So
Okay,
make 4
so
of these.
this area is for the corners.
That is for the corner. Fold it in half like this.
Let's do a little finger press here.
Perfect. You're going to mark from there. You're going to start from there.
So you want the edges to touch, and then you mark
Exactly.
it. So how do we know how many to do in between?
Well, you don't. That's what's beautiful.
We did the half of the scallop, right?
Right.
Instead, you know, that doesn't make sense, does it? This doesn't make sense. This makes sense
We're
because
matching
it
your
follows the
curve.
curve.
Let's flip this right here. And then let's say this one right here.
So it's kind of like putting together a puzzle. You're just kind of going
Exactly.
back and
Yep.
forth, and you're
Yep.
trying to match the hills and the valleys.
Right.
Okay.